Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're going to be talking how to clean your throttle body out. Maybe you're having an issue where you're having the RPMs are not revving right, the idling is out of whack, it's inconsistent. A lot of times that can be your throttle body needs to be cleaned. You can use a throttle body spray to clean that out and just wipe all that gunk out of there. So today we're going to go ahead, we're going to take that out and we're going to remove it and we'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. As you can see there, the RPMs are idling good. They're roughly around between 600 and 700 RPMs. Give it a little bit of throttle. When it comes back down, you'll see it starts bouncing around a little bit there. And then if you put any kind of load at idle, it completely drops down. It's bouncing all over the place. So definitely an issue there. To remove the throttle body, we'll have to release this strap here. There's another one right here near the air intake we'll take off so we can get this off. And then here on top, what you're going to need right there is you're going to need one of these kind of hex bits or security bits, whatever you want to call it. This is actually a T30H is the one that will actually fit in there. So let's go ahead and take all this off so we can get started on this. Also remember to disconnect your battery before you start anything. Go ahead. Remove the ground. Just to get that off of there. Okay, with the intakes and all off, looking in here into the throttle body, that actually looks pretty dirty itself, so we'll clean that out as well. And be careful pulling out the intake here, because you have your mass airflow sensor, which is right there. It's pretty delicate, so just be careful with that. Probably clean that while we're at it. To clean the mass airflow sensor, this is a good stuff here by CRC, the spray. Just spray it on there. Here's the inside view of the mass airflow sensor. You can see those are very, very delicate, those little sensor strips. That's what you're going to be cleaning when you spray through there. And for cleaning out the throttle body, air intake, another product by CRC, which is good as this one right here. Go ahead and spray it in there, clean all that junk out of there. We're going to go ahead and take off the throttle body here so we can clean it properly. You have three 10mm nuts that have to come off, and then there's a hose underneath. You can kind of see right there that has to come off. And then we'll just unplug this electrical connection, and then we can take it off and clean it properly. Throttle body's been removed, and you can see inside it's pretty dirty, so we're going to clean that out. Here's the throttle body here on the inside. It's pretty rough as well, so I'm going to go ahead and use the cleaner, do a really good cleaning on it, and then go ahead and put it back. Alright, so we went ahead, cleaned that out real good. There was a lot of junk caked up in there, which could be causing some of the problems. As you can see there, it's all cleaned out now. Had to scrape some of that off gently, of course, but it's pretty clean now. So we're going to go ahead and put it in and get that all back and reattached here for the throttle body. Everything has been put back on with the throttle body. You have the intake going in here into the air intake. Everything's been attached, tightened, good to go. Put that back in there. Plugged all the electric connections back in, so we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Start it up. RPMs are looking really good. Let's go ahead and increase the load on the unit. Normally this would cause the voltage and the RPMs to drop. RPMs are riding very good. We're looking at roughly around 700 to 800 RPMs. It's keeping stable. Normally it would drop down and could conk out. Excellent. Okay, well, that pretty much solved the problem. The engine is idling great. Everything is good. Nice, quiet, steady idling. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe this video. And as always, thank you for your support.